Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. I'm here to show you how to achieve the perfect tender juicy Italian chicken. Anyways, let's get started. So I forgot to measure the chicken. I don't know how much it weighs. So this seems about to be 2 pounds of chicken, or maybe a pound and a half, for sure a pound. So what I'm doing is I butterfly the chicken breast. These chicken breasts are very big. They're like a 3D, kind of chicken breast. So go ahead and butterfly it so that way it cooks faster and it cooks evenly, because you don't want a part to be cooked and the part not be cooked. So make sure you rinse your chicken with vinegar and lime juice and all that good stuff. Okay, that's what I do. So what I did, I added 2 teaspoons of all-purpose chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Montreal chicken seasoning, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of Lawry's marinade, garlic and herb marinade, and I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of Italian seasonings. And I am also using red wine vinegar. Feel free to skip that if you don't want to. I just like it. A tablespoon of lime juice or lemon juice, whatever you got, and 2 teaspoons of the red wine vinegar, and about 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. So I am using the oil on top of this dressing because I was quarantining for my COVID, so I didn't have olive oil in the house, so I'm stealing the oil from the dressing. But if you have olive oil, go ahead and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and some red pepper flakes, totally optional. If you don't want the heat, don't do it. So go ahead and stir it to make sure everything is evenly coated, and then cover it. Oh, don't forget the salt, boo. A teaspoon of salt. After you've stirred it and everything is looking nice, looking pretty, looks seasoned, go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge. Let it marinate for overnight if you want to, or 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever time you got. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so I would say 4 hours, but do not let your chicken on the counter, because no, we shouldn't do that. I personally like to marinate my chicken overnight. I always try my best to do that because it tastes the best. It really does. At least 24 hours. Why is this going so slow? Wow. Anyways, to your grilling pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I am using this grilling pan that I got from Macy's ages ago. It's from Calphalon. It's awesome. I've had this for a long time and I love it. So go ahead now, add your chicken. Once the pan is hot, make sure to place your chicken on the side you're gonna serve it. Okay, so go ahead and let your chicken grill for about 5 minutes on each side, because they're pretty big, so they need about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. I didn't even realize I recorded this on slow motion, but it's cool. So what I like to do to get a really good nice look on your chicken, make sure the heat is on high, very high, and then place your chicken, and after a couple of minutes lower your heat to medium high. Okay, so that way it's not burned, but it still has that beautiful grill look, that look you can only get on a charcoal grill, on a good charcoal grill. So yes, that's what I do. See, almost perfect. Very close to perfect. So that's what I did. So try that. But if you have a grill, if you're not like me, whatever, you don't struggle, go ahead and use your grill. But that's what I do to get a good nice look on my chicken. So this is it, y'all. Okay, let the chicken cook. This is perfect for salad, for whatever veggie you're gonna side it with, whatever, with pasta. Oh, the chicken was delicious. Okay, it was super juicy, beautiful, it was tender. It was just amazing. Okay, all right. Yes, this is it. All right, so the last 45 seconds, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Yes, butter. So once you add your butter, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of fresh parsley and some thyme because I love thyme. Go ahead and do that. We're gonna baste it a little bit with the butter. Give it a little more taste, a little more flavor. Because anybody ever died from extra flavor? Okay, I've never heard of that. So this is the final product, y'all. It's like I said, it's amazing. It's so delicious. Okay, so delicious. Look at it, perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned. This is, if perfection had a look, this would be it. That would be it. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. This video is short and sweet. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try, okay? Give it a try. You're gonna like it. It's amazing. It's like kind of healthy, kind of not. Actually, it is healthy. Just don't add too much olive oil and too much butter, and then here it's healthy. It's chicken breast. Chicken breast is the healthiest part of the chicken, the whole chicken, the breast, the titties. Anyways, you guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know. And this is what I did with mine. Yes, I'm healthy. Yes, with some tomatoes, purple onions, some Parmesan cheese, and of course a little drizzle of not olive oil, Italian dressing. And this was just amazing. It was just so bomb. Oh yes, guys, give this a try. I promise you're gonna love it. Okay, you will love it. And if you have not, please hit the subscribe button because it helps my channel. Okay, thank you for being here. Thank you.